Alright, I'm putting my second coat of this elastomeric roof patch on over top of the matting fiber. And what I'm doing, working really fast because this sun is really hot and it's setting up really fast. So I'm trying to just get a decent amount on there to cover up the entire webbing, and then just do one easy layoff over the whole thing. See that? And this is just drying so fast that you got to work fast, right? It's going on good though. This is a nice, really nice product. So the first one was just mostly for adhesion, right? Just to make the connection on the roof. This one is the real waterproofing part. And I'm going over all of these screws, putting a nice big glob over them, because if you can keep them away from the water, they aren't going to rust anymore, right? That's my thought. That's the way I do it. Looking good though. After this coat of this patching material, I'm going to go over the entire thing, the entire roof, with the roofing material. Okay, just feather this out a bit so look at that, pretty, right? Nice job. All right, let me get back to it.